Leftover seafood and enoki mushrooms. First bite for you. Shrimp. Egg. Y'all, look how huge these mussels are. Like, no freaking way. My healthy seafood boil with my mushrooms. Shrimp. Potato. Now, y'all, when the crabs start coming out like that, that's when it start getting good. I don't like doing all that peeling now. Y'all, the lemon juice on it just makes it so freaking good. I remember those shows where, like, it would be like some men pulling cars, like two big old trucks, like, and then they pull them together. I feel like I could do that, but that's just me though. Do y'all know what I'm talking about? Because I feel like I could do that. And when they like get like a 40-pound ball or something, and then they like throw it like 50 feet in the air and try to like get it or somewhere or something like that. Yo, I could do that too. Nothing came out. No. Finally, y'all. Almost passed out. My last bite.